Hey, space explorers! Ready to test your brain power with some out-of-this-world riddles? You'll hear a rhyme, and you have to guess the right answer. Think fast, guess smart, and let's blast off.
I'm full of stars both old and new. I spin and swirl in colors too. Billions of stars all live with me. What's my name? What could I be?
What am I?
The answer is galaxy. Fun fact, a galaxy can have over 100 billion stars. I hide the sun or cover the moon. A shadow dance that ends too soon. People watch with glasses tight. I make the sky go dark from light.
What am I?
The answer is eclipse. Fun fact, solar eclipses can turn day into night. You can't see me, but I pull you down. I keep your feet stuck to the ground. In space I'm weaker, on Earth I'm strong. Without me, you'd float all day long.
What am I?
The answer is gravity. Fun fact, gravity is what keeps the planets orbiting the sun. I'm a star that ends with a bang. A cosmic flash, a giant clang. I shine so bright, then disappear. My burst can reach both far and near.
What am I?
The answer is supernova. Fun fact, a supernova can outshine an entire galaxy for a short time. Between two planets I roam and spin, with rocky neighbors packed within. I'm not a line, but more a zone, where rocky objects call their home.
What am I?
The answer is asteroid belt. Fun fact, the asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. You live inside me, that's a fact. I'm spiral-shaped and starry-packed. I hold your sun and all its crew. My name sounds tasty, but I'm space too.
What am I?
The answer is Milky Way. Fun fact, our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. I'm blue and stormy, cold and far. Eighth from the sun, a frozen star. Winds whip wildly all around. On my surface, storms are found.
What am I?
The answer is Neptune. Fun fact, Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. You can't see me, I have no glow. But scientists still claim they know. I help hold galaxies in shape. I'm a space-time mystery they can't escape.
What am I?
The answer is dark matter. Fun fact, dark matter makes up most of the universe, but we can't see it.
Nice work, Space Detective! Did you guess them all? Or did the stars trick you? If you had fun, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep looking up.